Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today's word is chapter, a B1 level noun meaning a section of a book. A chapter is essentially a division within a book, often focusing on a particular theme or event. It's how we organize longer texts into manageable parts. Synonyms could include section, as in, please read the first section of the report, and part such as, this is my favorite part of the story. On the other hand, antonyms could be whole, as in, he read the whole book in one sitting, or entirety, like, we need to review the document in its entirety. In everyday life, you might say, did you finish the last chapter yet? Or, the book has 10 chapters. For example, each chapter of this novel is more exciting than the last. Another phrase is closing the chapter on that phase. Remember, chapter refers to a defined portion of a book. So, to recap, chapter is a section of a book. Think of synonyms like section and part, and antonyms like whole and entirety. Thanks for tuning in. If you're finding Hello Word helpful, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps other language learners find us too. Don't forget to create your own sentence using chapter and share it in the comments below the video.